Never thought I'd find somebody sweet and kind. A smile to make me fall for love again. Somebody who could see a different kind of me. No more pretending. What do you do that makes me forget myself? This feeling in my bones, joy that's all my own.